Hello students, today we'll start next phylum, that is Echinodermata. Okay. Echinodermata, it means spiny skin animals. Spiny skin animals. Okay, actually the spines are found in their skin. So the most common example of Echinodermata is starfish. Okay. So starfish is the most common example, and it also includes sea urchin, sea cucumber. Let's have a look. So these all are Echinodermata, species of Echinodermata. This is starfish, okay, sea urchins, sea cucumbers, ophura, sand dollars. So Echinodermata 2 वर्ड से आए हैं, मीन्स echinos means spines, okay, and derma means skin, or you can say covering. Okay, so spiny skin animals. So and there are around 6,000 species which belongs to Echinodermata. Okay, so first habitat. First we will study habitat. They are exclusively marine. All existing echinoderms are marine. Marine. Okay, and they are generally benthic. Benthic means sea bottom. And the body, and what are they? Are triploblastic. Triploblastic and truculum, and they are deuterosomes. Okay, fourth one is they are deuterosomes. Deuterostomes beta, when I was discussing about classification of animal kingdom, in that we have studied deuterostomes, that chordates and echinoderms belongs to deuterostomes. Okay, it is a unique property of Echinodermata. So as I have said कि chordates and Echinodermata दोनों deuterostomes होते हैं, तो it is clearly proved that echinoderms are nearer to the chordates than any other groups. Echinoderms है वो सबसे near है chordates के. Okay, so chordates have been evolved from echinoderm like ancestors. Okay, so it is we can also say that it is a resemblance with chordates, क्योंकि ड्यूट्रोस्टोम्स ये जो फीचर्स है इकाइनोडर्मेटा में भी पाए जा रहे हैं एंड ऑल्सो इन कॉर्डेट्स. तो रिजेम्बलेंस हुआ ये इकाइनोडर्मेटा का कॉर्डेटा के साथ. ओके, तो ड्यूट्रोसोम्स मैंने क्या बताया, एनस डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम एम्ब्रियोनिक ब्लास्टोपोर. ये अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, derived we have discussed in detail. Okay, from embryonic blastophore. So next, body form. This is special important property. Okay. Body form varies. Okay, the star shape, spherical, star shape, spherical or cylindrical, unsegmented, and lacks head. Okay, now come to a very important property. About spines and pedicellariae. So it is E. Students, it is E. So I have told you कि काइनोडर्म्स में स्पाइन्स पाए जाते हैं एंड पिंसर लाइक पेडिसिलेरिया स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, लेट मी शो. So these are spines. This is spines, tube fit. So basically what happen, जो spines होते हैं, it is not like that. ये क्या ऐसा नहीं कि स्किन है, स्किन के ऊपर से ऐसे स्पाइंस जा रहे हो. ओके, ये दे आर एक्चुअली कवर्ड. ये जो रहते हैं कवर्ड रहते स्किन से. ये समझ लो ऐसे है. सपोज कर लो ये है, ये स्पाइंस, ये ऐसे रहता है एक्चुअल में, कवर रहते हैं. ओके, ऊपर ही नहीं रहते हैं. Spines are protective in nature. And they are not present on their skins. I have told you इनके स्किन में नहीं रहते हैं. They are part of endoskeleton. Spines are part of endoskeleton. ओके, और वो किस चीज़ के बने रहते हैं? They are part of endoskeleton. तो किस चीज़ के बने रहते हैं? कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. ओके, लेट मी राइट. Endoskeleton consists of calcium carbonate, plates and spines covered by a thin layer of skin. ठीक है, दिस आई हैव टोल्ड कि जैसे ये स्पाइन है तो उसके ऊपर कवर्ड बाय स्किन. ओके, so this is I have told about spines. This is an important property. Now pedicellarian function क्या होता है? फंक्शन, ये जो है बॉडी को क्लीन करते हैं. ओके, दे हैव क्लीन बॉडी सरफेस. Keep body surface sand clear of debris, sand or minute organism, etc. Okay. Next is locomotion. It is also important. With the help of tube feet. Let me show the structure of spines. The tube feet, it is an important property. Tube feet. Okay. This is spine. Okay. And a forceps like structure with a stalk. You can see it is the structure which is I am drawing here. It is jaws like structure. Okay. This is spine and this is pedicel. Okay. So it is pedicellarious spine and dermal branchiae. Okay. Let me draw dermal branchiae. Dermal branchiae. Okay, what is the function of dermal branchiae? Respiratory organs. Okay. Next, body wall. Okay, let's discuss symmetry. So very important part. Very important. When adult, okay, जब ये adult होते हैं, they show a radial symmetry. It show radial symmetry. Okay, pentamerous radial. Pentamerous radial. Okay, they are pentamerous, na, 5 arms. And when they are at larva stage, they are bilateral symmetry. Okay. Understood? The symmetry क्या होती? When they are adult, it is radial, and when they are larva, they are bilateral. Okay, so this is also important property. So next Features we'll discuss in next video.